Welcome back to Rickey Does It, where today I'll be making Venom out of construction paper. So Venom is the last of the top 4 requested videos I wanted to have done by the end of this year. So once again, I have Spidey out here for reference, and if you still haven't seen how I made him, click this card to check it out or find a link in the description. And to keep everything nice and symmetrical, I'll either be folding it in half before cutting or cutting them out 2 at a time. So I end up having a little trouble with these legs. In my original sketch, I had him squatting more like an old 5.5 action figure, just to make him a bit more menacing. But for whatever reason, the results were decidedly not menacing. So it takes a little back and forth, but I end up pretty happy with what I got. Now I'm going to trace his torso and get his chest design figured out. And what's Venom without his iconic Gene Simmons tongue? So let's get him glued together. And now his teeth. And the trick to these is not trying to cut out each point individually, but instead cutting in a kind of crisscross pattern. First the one side of the jag, then the other. Now let's get that all together. And I think I'm going to trim down this noggin just a little bit. Now the only real problem I have is I don't like how his tongue covers the whole top of Venom's logo. And you can see I mess around with this a bit. I even tried gluing it on crooked, but in the end, I just trimmed off a slice of the tongue, and honestly, I think that just looks better in general. Now his eyes. Yes! Now if you haven't seen my How to Make Iron Spider video, you can click this card to check it out or find a link in the description. And now we color. I have to admit, I've been getting requests for Venom for a while now. But I was always leery since he's really just white on black. Like, what much can you do with that? But I'm really loving how he's coming out, and these black shadows and white highlights are really making him pop. And now we ink. If you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's awesome? And don't forget to subscribe for all future videos, and who knows, maybe one of them will be something you've suggested. Now I'm going to give that tongue a bit more texture and depth. Give this spider some legs. And there he is, our Venom. I just want to take this time to thank you all for watching, especially those who've been around for a while. It means the world to me. So here's all the figures I made in 2018. Be sure and check out my playlist where I show you how to make them all. And if there's anyone else you'd like to see me make in 2019, let me know in the comments, and yeah, Happy New Year! Click here to watch the playlist I just mentioned. Click down here for my latest video and what YouTube thinks you'd like to watch next. And be sure to subscribe for all future videos. See you soon!